Okay, guys, back again with some more unboxing of some speaker cones. Alright, guys, so let me show you how I buy them now. It starts from 8-inch cone, guys. 8 inches cone. Alright, put this down a little. Uh-oh. 8-inch cone, guys. I don't think you want to see my face. Yep. For those who guys have 18, and these are the 3-inch voice card cutout. Let me show you. We have like 25 of these. Yes, sir. Guys, yeah. And these are the tall foam, guys. Tall foam, as you can see from, yeah, yep. The voice card cutout is 3-inch. Yeah, it would be to be like 2-inch because you normally rarely get them in 3-inch, but some people do have them. You never know. Because I'm always saying to myself, say, these are gonna take long to get rid of, but maybe not. This guys, I always wanted to do this, guys, buy stuff in like this in bulk. Oh yeah. So yep. 18 cone. Yes, I'm getting cones, guys. All right. And what I have here, oh, 10 inch. So that's a 10-inch tall foam also. And I'm taking them out. Whoa. Box. Oh, they were piping it, guys. Damn. 3-inch pipe, which is really good, but yeah, it's giving me a hard time to get this out. All right, I'll put this back on it. So here, guys, 10-inch. Some 10-inch here, tall surround, as you can see. And yep, 3-inch voice card cutout. So yes, guys, if you have anyone like you want your speaker to look like this with nice like this, a nice little dust cap on it. Yep. So you could just bring it in, guys. I have so I'll style it up for you. A lot of people like they call these the decorated cone. Yes. So yes, guys. So yep, I have a bunch of them in stock, guys. And if you want to buy it from me, guys, yeah, I'll give you them for a good, reasonable price, guys. So you can do your own repair and stuff like that. Yep. If you want to, yes, you can do that. Well, let's see that again, and I get some of these for the 8 gauge. These are terminal. Yeah, these are 8 gauge terminal. Yeah, yeah, for 8 gauge where that's what it says. Yeah, push terminal, guys. Yes, I have these. I also have 4 gauge. I already told you about that, I think. Yep, and that's what I come in the other day. Let me see what else I got comes in as of lately, guys. Oh yeah, some of these spiders, yeah. Cup spiders and these spiders here. Yep, these type of spiders. Yeah, I got a bunch of these. Let me show you some more. All right, all right. I have spiders. Yep. You see, they still tag with the number I buy them from, like on eBay. Yep. I have some carbon fiber dust cap, guys, which is the listen to these. These things are tough, man. Carbon fiber, guys. Yep. And these are what 3.9 inch, almost 4 inch. Yeah, these carbon fiber. Yes, if you want the speaker to look fancy, guys. If you want the speaker to look fancy with some of these, yes. Let's bring it in, guys. The Cardi amplifier and subwoofer repair, guys. Sales and repair. Yes, guys. So, yep. Let me see if I find anything else that I got since up lately. Uh, oh, yep. Yep. Have some more dust caps. Yeah, I got a bunch of these too. Dust cap, all sizes. Yep. I think this is and something, and this is 5 and something, not remembering, and this is 7 and something, I think 7.1, and then you have some carbon fiber here too, which in here. Yeah, these are paper dust cap, and these are carbon fiber, and this is paper, and this is plastic. Yeah, this is a plastic dust cap here, guys. It's flexible like that, yeah. Plastic. Yep. So yes, guys, that is it. You know, if you want, yes, guys, anything, repair, dust cap, whatever, spider you wanna replace and all that stuff. I have parts, as you can see. What I show you here is what I have. I know I have other cones too, guys. 12-inch, but they kind of the far, guys. Carbon, yeah, I have 12-inch ice around and stuff like that. Let me show you something else. And I have a couple of these too. These are for 12-inch. These are big rolls, guys. Big roll. Yeah. 12-inch speakers. Not every, it doesn't fit every 12-inch, but most 12-inch it fit. That is big roll, yeah. I have a couple of these. Yep. So yes, guys. I try to stack everything now, just as I can, because it's getting really crazy. It's getting crazy. It's speaker repair and stuff. Yeah, so I soon stop working from my garage and have my own shop. Guys, so yeah, pray for me. Yeah, so that is it, guys. As you can see, I'm buying stuff in bulk. And God is so good, guys. I'm getting them real reasonable, so I can do this. So yeah, just let you know, guys, know. If you want to repair speakers, yeah, don't trade away, guys. Yeah, I have parts. Yep. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys, and see you on the next one, guys. Cardi out for now. All right, enough respect.